What's going on, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook? Hope y'all having a great day, man. I wanted to invite you to a space with the Red E Society today. We have already been cooking in these markets, but of course, you're going to hear my friends talking. You're going to hear the joy and excitement that we have for the trades that we do. We're only here for a short time, a good time, not a long time, but we want you to come and enjoy Veterans Day with us briefly. Shout out to each of you that have served in the United States military. Salute to all the veterans. I'm supporting the Marine Corps. Where's my thing? Yeah, Marine Corps and Air Force today. So let's get it. Super glad to see you guys. Welcome to the Red E Society. Let's get to it, man. All right, guys. If y'all here, y'all already know what time it is. CP, where y'all at, man?
Yeah.
All right, so we're here. So yeah, we cooking on some Exxon Mobil right now. Right now, we got those Exxon Mobil 125 calls for November the 21st. Average cost is 13 cents. Now they are 25 cents. They are pushing up about 92% right now. So those things are running, man. What y'all got shaking over there, Red E? I know y'all got some cooking.
Cooking in them Exxon Mobils.
Okay.
It's bad.
NVIDIA puts. I like that. We caught a little bit of support.
It's not really like the basic. 11 o'clock. Still need SPY puts.
Let's look at SPY, man. SPY, let's see.
I really hope not.
SPY caught a little bit of support. It said yesterday's open range. Let's just delete these levels here. Let's slide over to that 20-minute time frame. We need to see SPY fall back below 678.92. Looks like the buyers are there, but they're very weak, man. 10-minute time frame. They're really trying to step it up, but once SPY loses that 678.92, it's game over. Completely game over. So look, this is not the Mark show, so y'all don't be shy, y'all. Can't nobody see you. Say whatever you want to say. Do how you do. We're locked in right now with Exxon, though, for sure, man. I want to see this thing rip. I'm looking for like 121.92. Deb says
we're cooking on Oracle puts. Oracle puts we're cooking.
You got some Oracle puts. Let's look at that. What's your contract?
November 21st.
And with strike?
230.
Okay, 230. Let's see here. Let's minimize this. All right, Oracle 20-minute. That thing, it needs to lose 228.94. You got an inside candle right now on a 20-minute time frame. So please be careful. I like the fact that the candle's red, so that's telling me that it's got a strong sell. Our multi-time frame is saying it's a strong sell too on the 15, 60, and the 4 hour. So that's lovely. Let's make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. And then Red E market structure is confirming everything you're showing. What's your target price?
228.50.
Okay. Good. So that kind of measures up what I'm seeing right here at that 228.08. That it had some support there at that 229.09, so be very careful. Slide down to your shorter time frame. You might want to just draw a line there. So I don't know what your plan is, if you're playing a DCA or what have you. Just be very careful.
Just trying to make some money for the day and then call it a day.
I feel you
watch
on
it
that.
tomorrow.
I feel you on that. Anybody did anybody get an Exxon exactly when I did? You should be up 100% on that play. And I don't think it's done.
I got in about 5 minutes after you, and I'm up 60.
Let's go. I think our next level is right there, 120.79. Buyers are getting a little weak, so I mean, of course, never be afraid to take profits.
You still in the middle?
I got in
I'm,
like
I'm
5
still in
minutes
meta.
ago,
Let me look at it.
and I'm up 11%.
My goodness.
Hmm.
Meta did catch some support as well. I just want to check it out real quick. Right here, the sellers started to kind of lose traction. We got neutral candles right now. Let's look at the 20-minute time frame. We kind of wicked into the gap as we saw that happen on Meta. Buyers started coming in. When I checked the flow for Meta's options, I'll do it here live so the people can see. We're going to go to Tradie Ticks. And I think they were buying the 620 calls for this Friday on Meta. Let's see. Options. I see you, John. Let's go. See you in the chat. Deb says she's in DVN calls. I'll take a look at DVN in just a second. So, yeah, they were buying the 620 calls for this Friday. About 1.6 million in premiums went in on Meta. I'm going to the bottom, too. You can see those same call and put volume. So, I mean, if you're in puts and you're up, take your profits, especially if you have a shorter expiration date. And I'm going to eat those words myself. Let's see. I'm zooming out and checking multiple time frames just because I want to be sure. Also, I like to look at that volume tick. Volume tick's kind of coiling back up a little bit. We got a small buy signal on the 20-minute with the Williams percent R. Also one on the 10. I'm going to go to the 2. 2 looks like we might continue coming down. It's just a little bounce. I'm also going to check my kill zones real quick. This is showing it's got a weak buy. We just caught some support, like I said, at the 619.
ExxonMobil still cooking, holding strong.
Oh, it ain't going to stop. It's not going to stop. Small inside candle on the shorter time frames, but I like that ExxonMobil play. Blue candles, strong bullish momentum. And, of course, our ready market structure is telling us it's a strong buy right now, intraday. Let's make that a little bit larger for you on this chart. We got a 67% bullish dominance on ExxonMobil. Right now, we see that NVIDIA did catch some support as well. So I hope you took profits on your puts. I don't know when you got in. Victor, I think that was you on those puts.
Yeah, I'm out already.
Oracle should be doing the same thing, turning around. This is an hourly heat map. Let's check the 4-hour heat map right now. We're still pretty much red on the day for most of the semiconductors.
Y'all gonna laugh at me, but I'm up 17% on some spot calls just now, and I just took gains.
You slid in some calls anyway.
Yes, sir. 15% up here.
Let's go. So y'all, why y'all ain't say nothing, man? Don't y'all be acting shy, bro. Y'all look.
It was just like a quick pick. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
You know?
I feel you, man. But I mean, we are still in this morning session. I mean, it looks like let's actually look at SPY real quick. Go to the 15-minute time frame. It does have a 2 up on the strat. Let's check the it's got multiple buy signals here, so you're gonna get a little bounce here on SPY. Let's see where it's going. I bet it retest that 200 EMA again at 679.90. Sellers are trying their best to pull it down, but it's a little weak. Looking at the volume. Let's go to 10-minute time frame. If it breaks that 679.90, SPY will completely reverse and go to the upside. It's been getting cooked all day. But I got multiple buy signals. Multiple. Inside candle present. Sorry, not inside. A neutral candle present right now. Let's see if we can hold above that 679.73 and retest 679.90 here.
What was that website you was using? TradeTix?
TradyTix.com. You have to have a paid subscription to this. But I like to use it for a couple things. I can see the overall options market summary. And then when the market starts diverging, this will actually talk to you and tell you what's going on. So if you're not paying attention, I mean, the alerts are annoying, but they're there. You also can see where most of the top flow is intraday, your call and put chains, and of course, the lotto plays, the cheap ones, right? So it's a really good site. And of course, there's so much more to it. You can see the dark pool data, what's being bought when you can't buy, news, also the live flow, options live flow.
It seems useful.
It's pretty real time. So I like this thing a lot. I mean, it's worth the $70 a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Mark, I need to look at the XOL. Can you look at that real quick?
We still locked in, bro. Up 107% right now.
That's a lot of
Yeah, I'm about to say, I know you cooked because I'm about 43%.
Yeah.
And I got in way after you.
Yeah. Y'all be careful with those puts if you didn't take profits. We bounced off the morning session low right at my TP1.
Hey, my dog Jay, where you at?
I forgot to lose meta puts.
Easy to do.
He busy.
Man, getting that back, baby. Lee, what's up? What you in? What you looking at? I know you got that APP. Yeah, you know me.
I'm probably not like this.
You know, do I know you like the back of my hand?
I'm at SPX calls.
Oh, you joined the party with. Oh,
What you end up doing, Lee?
party.
What you do on SPX?
I just jumped in another call, Mark.
On SPY or SPX?
I just did Spy.
Yeah, it's definitely moving. SPX is probably going to come up to about 68.20.
Huh? Yeah. 1970, 68.20. If they don't hold it up under the 68.20.
Yeah. There was the last candle body structure that I can see once it breaks above 68.1884 is going to be right there around 68.20 and 7 cents. So I'll be looking for a break around that if it happens, but volume, the buyers are weak on the 15-minute time frame. But yeah, get that money. I know you probably on the 2-minute time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Going back and forth, but I'm scalping in and out because between them, letting it move maybe a good 40 cents to $1, then the theta, so they're not just letting it run straight up. But I did get in at 68.
Right. Okay. Yeah, you print. You up.
Yeah.
Uppity up.
I can go through all the brokerages.
Let's catch this little push right here. See if we can catch a push and get to this little level.
Because Apple trying to come back.
We got a hold though.
Apple trying to come back to life again. It ran heavy this morning, man. I know Donovan, he was talking about it. And it still looks like it has a bull flag on this 20-minute time frame, but I don't like this current candle. It looks like it might have a 212 reversal, and it's very neutral.
Well, they pop. So they got a hold above this right here. They got a hold above at least 679, 71 on SPY. So it can hold and then continue to move forward.
Are you talking about SPY? I'm looking at Apple. Apple has to hold above 273.24 to retest 273.84. If it breaks that, we'll be looking at 274.25. I doubt it gets to 278.31. That's kind of wide. But I think that 274.21-ish is a realistic target if it goes up. Right now, shorter time frames, it's kind of showing Apple might pull back a little bit, man. If it loses that 50 EMA, right here at that 272.86. We could come down to 272.09. There was also a lot of support at 272.21, and it liquidated down to 272.61. But if NVIDIA is bouncing, that'll help maintain where you guys are with SPY and SPX.
Did somebody
Here we
call
go.
XOM out on Friday?
That's 68.18.
Yes, me and Jack both called ExxonMobil last Friday. We bought the 118 calls for this Friday, and I think he signaled the 115s for last Friday and a 0 DTE. We printed on ExxonMobil last week. And then this morning I got the notification for that 117 target that I set because those contracts got in the money. Then we jumped to 118, then 119, and we caught these lottos at 13 cents a piece, bro. Here comes SPX 6820. Red E market structure. Simple snipe. I don't think it's done.
No, we just getting started now.
6822.74.
Yeah, we just getting started now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, up.
6822.74 is the
That's
next
what I'm
level on
talking about.
SPX. Who else is Inspire SPX? What's
What you big dog? I'm right here. I
Okay.
grabbed several of those 680s.
CP?
680.
Okay. I'll keep it on the screen so we can know what's going on over here.
I'm in SPY 740s for January 30th.
Oh yeah. Oh, you ready?
Oh no, we definitely got them. I was just talking about some quick little demos, but demo on deck. But yeah, everybody get all hands on deck because you could be a potential little money maker right here.
Yeah. So there's my next level on SPX. Here comes SPY to 680.68 shortly. Y'all about to really print. Be careful though. Did we just create a level of resistance right here on the 10-minute with that wick?
That's what it looks like.
6822. So we hit my level and rejected off of that. Look left. I'm turning the indicators off. That's exactly where it has to get over this line.
Bounced off the field. Man.
So yeah, if you can get over
Don't
that
be afraid to take no gains if you up to.
6822.
There's nothing wrong with taking gains.
Big
A
facts.
win is a win.
Big facts.
I don't care if it's 5, 10, 20, 50, 100%.
Yeah, don't miss
Do
me.
you?
I'm a hoe. Y'all don't know me.
Oh, I'm holding.
It's about to break that level. You're gonna get 6827.18.
That's why I say give me the 68.25.
Yeah, you're gonna get 6827.
That's
SPY, the level to watch is $680.68. If we get over this 680.32 for SPY.
Oh, good. So my one brokerage, I have 2 different accounts in it. The one I could day trade in, the other one I can't. I actually bought the SPY in the wrong one.
My goodness.
So it pushed it to the next day.
Hey, Mark, when you get some time, can you get a ticker NRDV look energy vault?
Yes, sir. NRVV.
NRGV.
Big oil.
V as in Victor.
Oh, V. NRVD. Okay. NRVD. Put it in the chat.
G.
That's what I
Okay.
had.
NRGV. GV.
GV. Gotcha. NRG. Jesus Christ. Super cheap penny stock. Energy, oil related. I like this 4-hour chart already. It was a lot of liquidity that ran up to 485 on this one. It has markup on volume tick on the 4-hour. Let me look at the daily. This is cheap. And it's just getting a buy signal on the daily.
Options.
It has options.
Yes, sir.
I like this thing. It doesn't have markup yet on the daily, but it does have it on the weekly. So those leaps would probably print on this one. Let me see
It's doing a
the.
longer thesis on energy. This is an energy storage.
Fine
company.
trying to do the Macarena, y'all.
Woo! That's crazy. They're saying the forecast on this thing is around $4.45, Larry. So be careful, man. But I mean, for a long term, I wouldn't mind having shares of this thing.
Yeah, this is long term. That's what I'm looking at long term. I'm looking at
To interrupt, but
energy recycling, energy storage, and all this stuff. All these
We
things
doing the
go
Macarena.
along with these data centers and stuff.
So all my levels are hitting on SPX. Look, if we get over 68.27, we're gonna fill a gap up. We're gonna fill the gap up 68.32.40.
117% stop gap.
That's crazy, y'all.
Oh,
Sellers are trying their best. I don't think they're gonna win this one. I don't think they're gonna win this one, dude.
I think I could say I told you.
68.28.72, 68.32.40. Those are the next two levels I'm looking at for you on SPX. For SPY, again, we break we already wicked over it. 680.68. Next one is 680.83. Then we get back in a gap at 680.83, and the gap fills at 681.60. And then we possibly can squeeze up to 681.85. But we got to hold above 680.68 on SPY.
Look at the VIX.
Sellers are coming in.
Still pushing too a little bit, yeah.
Let's look at the VIX. Appreciate you, Nicholas. Nicholas is all the way in Croatia trade. Well, you said you're back in Hungary now, right? I don't want to use this VIX. Hold on. I'm working on something over there. So it's a mess. Let me pull VIX up over here.
I already took profit, but I might happen again.
VIX is catching a little bit of support. Still coming down, though. Still got multiple sell signals. VIX needs to lose 1757. And then there's another level of 1753. Yesterday, I said 1748. So look, I'm about to go ahead and scalp 107% gains on ExxonMobil. I'm scalping 5 contracts and leaving a runner. And then I'm about to chill for the rest of the day.
I gotta go out to lunch with my parents. But it's like 36 degrees outside and 15-mile-an-hour winds. I don't feel like going outside.
Yeah, it's freezing out there. It's a good day for some soup.
Yep. Hey, good call, man. Great trading day, man.
Awesome. What you got cooking over there, Rob?
I got out of SPX calls right now.
Okay.
I
Yeah,
caught
that thing,
it at like
that thing ran.
68. Yeah, I was like a 45% gain.
Yo, it rejected. It's coming all the way back down to that 68.18.
Oh yeah, it retraced everything. That's why I'm glad I saw.
I bet folks were just buying it when it was already at the top, though. We rejected it at that last pivot that it had this morning, man.
They're about to slam it down again.
That's wild.
Yep, that's why you got to take it.
Oh yeah, see green, take green, man.
Dude, look left. If you look left, that's where we rejected it earlier.
That's exactly what we were talking about, man. Exactly. What's up, Marquise? I see you over there in the chat. Let me look at DVN for Deb. Let's see.
Hey, text me. All right. We'll see you guys later.
All right, man. Be cool.
Yeah, thank you.
DVN is cooking.
All right, Rob.
This thing looks like it's gonna run about 35, 38, Deb. I know you're swinging it more than likely. It's got a pretty weak buy right now. I'd look for 35.99 on a swing, 36.29, and then possibly 36.76. retest of resistance. I think you'll get a big move on this thing sometime very, very soon. When are the earnings on this thing? February the 17th. What's the all-time high? It's been getting cooked. 79.31 prior high. That was back in June of 22. Of course, we can go further than that. All-time highs around 127.46. This is Energy Materials related. It's up 3% on the day, but that thing is moving. I think that's a nice play, Deb. I think ExxonMobil is going to keep going, but I wanted to take some profits off the table because I don't want to be in these markets all day. Anybody else need me to look at anything here?
No, I had the ExxonMobil for this Friday. I think that was called out last Friday. So
Yeah.
I'm going to guarantee
So
get rid of that one.
I know you got to be up at like 200, 300% on that play. You in the 118s I called out or the 115s?
118s.
Mm-hmm. What's your percentage gains on that?
247.
My goodness, dude. Let's go. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Yo, that 5-minute candle on SPY is crazy work.
Let me see.
Yeah.
What is it doing? Oh.
They got
Ooh.
all the China.
Ooh.
What? What?
It's coming right back down to 678.92. Watch. 678.92, then 678.44. And I bet it catches some support right there.
You can see that 15-minute candle.
That's exactly what I'm looking at. I never exited my puts. I'm still in my puts.
Smart. I'm still in meta puts. I'm waiting on that gap fill, man. Right back down. That was a nice squeeze, though. That was a real nice squeeze. If you're in SPX, man, if SPX loses $6,806, it might drop as low as $6,791.56. That's the start of a gap. That's the start of a gap. For real.
She was saying she might want to go ahead and see what's up. She might want to touch her toes for real today.
Look, let me get off of here, man. I got the holy environment listening in to y'all this morning, talking about some touching toes. I hope you touching toes to pray. Come on now. So I was just playing with y'all, man. I really want to see this thing. All right. So one thing about the Red E market structure, sometimes when those target prices start to overlap, you just go to a different time frame, or you could actually change the size of them. So let me see if I can find it. Let's see, TPs. There's the percentages. So where it says label size, I'm just gonna make them large real quick, and it'll get rid of the overlapping. I'm trying to fix this error, but for whatever reason, it's not working. So I'm going to keep trying to work on the code. But I think Meta's still going to come down, retest at 619. It's going to be slow. But if it loses that 619, I'm hoping for a gap fill as low as 606, but it might stop right there at 610.89. My take profit actually is around 614.72. ExxonMobil's not done. I think this is going to push to 121.43. I scalped, and I still think it's a pretty decent swing trade for real. Not financial advice. But that was a beautiful play. This was the original play when we first got into it. It's crazy. 13 cents. And right now they're worth, what, 29 cents? 28 cents. And we just went in light for the heck of it.
I ain't listen to Jay and just get a quick 100.
Yeah, why not?
Man, what's good?
What's up with you, Jack? What you got smoking over there, brother?
Oh, as soon as I say 100, he gonna say what's good. See, that's crazy. That is crazy right there.
I just got it, bro. I was so frustrated, bro. Man, I gotta quit this job.
Hey,
Man,
I just asked him where you was at.
Yeah, dude, I had to tap out for a second, and I was in the play. I wasn't paying attention, so I had hopped in this FPX cost real quick. I made a quick little bag, but man, I was irritated.
Who's got the back?
Man, look at his spot.
Looks like he wants to run again.
It's a lot of liquidity, man. It's ranging, bro.
Looks like it wants to come down.
Mm-hmm.
It's
It's
ranging.
just retesting this level before it drops.
Yeah, I think it's gonna come back down. That was a quick pop.
676.13 TP2 20-minute time frame.
I need QQQ to close this 15 candle under 618.15. And then it's we going down.
Man, y'all make sure y'all post them games, man. I see y'all been cooking. I see Marco was on Apple. Fallback, he been quiet today. What's going on, Fallback? I see you over there though, bro. Friend.
You're gonna spy.
Good fellow. That was yesterday. But yeah, it's a real chill day. He said, here comes Spy.
I think he's moving up. Ouch, looks like I'm around there.
Yeah, the volume is there.
You gotta prove it to me. I think we for the next hour or two, we're gonna be looking down.
Man, I'm telling you, I told y'all from the jump, don't trade Spy today. It's too choppy. I mean, you gotta be real surgical, man. But yeah, I wanted to go to the dirt for you for real. 678.43 all the way down to 676.13, but it's too choppy. The 4 hour candle structure is still bullish, believe it or not.
Yeah, no, it is. It is.
So just be careful. And then look at VIX. VIX got a lot of support, man. Right here at 1765. And then even now it keeps retesting at 50 EMA on the 10-minute time frame. If it breaks above 1783, market's going to keep dropping.
Yeah.
You saw we liquidated briefly, so I think it's crazy, man.
This is about the fourth or fifth test of the support level.
Look, the prior consolidation was 1786 to 1796. So if it gets anywhere back in that range, I mean, it's blood all on the market. But I mean, I just be a little bit careful because the chop is real. It's like this every Veterans Day.
It's running. Surprise breaking out right here.
The sellers need to show up. They're gonna show up.
You got bullish divergence.
Calls.
Definitely got some bullish divergence on SPY. But nevertheless, y'all, I'm about to end the live. If you want to catch more plays like this real time, you definitely need to slide on over to www.rogers1906.com and join the Red E Society. You can also get the free indicator that I'm using, which is called the Red E Market Structure. But you could join the Red E Society, use discount code 10OFF, and come and cook with us, man. But again, you can add the free indicator, cost you nothing. I'm actually making some updates today. We love to have you be part of our family. And remember, as always, you don't have to get ready if you stay ready. Y'all have a great day and happy Veterans Day.
Okay.